Hello, my people. Yes. A very good afternoon to my people. Hello, precious Sunday. Yes. It's 2 days to go, man. 2 days to go. 2 days to go for the big day, man. In Paris. For sure, France and big name when it comes to show. Yes, so my brother DJ Ticket, I see you in the house. Yes, afternoon, my people. Afternoon, my fans. First to Z, I go to France. Afternoon to Esther Edokbaye fans. So we don't come, man. We don't come. The day that already they reach, man. See you, I see you. Good afternoon. So let's talk, man. Yes. I see you now, man. I see everybody. Those of you watching me right now. Okay. Let's go there. It's time to support our own. You know. Not be new thing again, not be joke again. Say Esther Edokbaye will be coming to Paris this weekend, 28th which is this Saturday, and the day is almost here. Please, I want to use this medium to invite everybody to this very occasion. First of all, before I start, make I first appreciate my Paris people, all my Paris fans, my France people, man, not Paris, my France people, most especially Paris people. I want to apologize because I received so many calls. Say this one will call me, you said you want to do something, you know, if you invite me. The other one will call me, you said you want to do something, you know, invite me. So let me just clear the hair right now because I don't want where Esther don't come out, I can't get problem with my Paris and my France people because now be me. Now without now, OZ is nothing, man. So now me want to do this live video this morning. My tea, you know, no mind no you understand? Because so now me want to do this short live video. First of all, before I start, I want to thank my Paris people for all the support since I started my music career in France. So 2022 is making it 10 years. I started my life on stage, my live music year 2012. So which Everybody can testify to that. So 2022 is making it 10 years in the game for Paris. So without all the support, I believe without you now, who's there for no reach where he did today. So first of all, I want to thank you now. Wow, we see because of one see or when I win. Despite the challenges, despite the attack on the matter, my assistant anytime when I want to do something, I say, OZ, see, we need to go support OZ. So I thank all of you now. I thank you now. My France people, my Paris people, I thank you now. So a lot of calls when I receive, many people they call me say, OZ, you want to do something, you know if you call me. This one will call me say, OZ, we want to outside the IT where you know, my giving no piano, my giving no way. OZ, when me go OZ, want me a ticket, you know. All my haters, this one an opportunity to spoil my name, give people with right from time that they support me, they come. So I say, so first of all, this one different from the show where OZ did. I believe this is my first time of organizing a concert show like this, where people can use money till they enter. You understand? So you know if you use this one to compare my own personal show, which is maybe launchy when I do every 2 years. You know, that one I they invite everybody. Why? Because they're not going to use money to enter. They're not going to use money to buy drink if they reach there. So this one is different. The reason why this one is different is I don't think I can call you now, for example, say like how he invite you well we contact in here, you know, who do save an there on our way. Go to security with them and the ticket in the Bahama where a ticket where we want the ticket to my one. Oh, also don't invite me, also don't invite me. Go Meru way or do are there extra moment and what it one where who invite me, also don't invite me. You know, let me know carry for call individual say I want to do something because in my land Wakbo Paris you know, so what's here. So on a different, you understand? So this one a show, this one a comes out, this one a wear, this one a when, this one a I want to put on. I did carry other artists they come from Nigeria, you know. This one not be my normal life on stage. You understand? So I mean, this one when if you feel like say maybe you want to really enjoy yourself, you want to really, you know, feel your eyes, you want to really enjoy yourself because you don't take did now during this coronavirus and you don't take with coronavirus keep up in one place. So this is time to constantly show yourself, to constantly, you know, happy and have fun, enjoy yourself. You understand? So this one everything about this comes up my money. You understand? So let me make one apologize if I don't call you, say no verse, no be my fault. Everybody I don't mean I say maybe you my be no day, you do ba ja okay my be ne Paris no go me irin afọ video la why ticket to the other side. You understand? Because ni boom have nyana okay start now start ire next like ba ne o say dia we gbe me dog o ti ma sisi yen ma ti ma wono na gbegbe we mi no do ti ma why ticket video because if you we origo na hin iga ya lawa wono na iga ya the ticket e do invite where e ban na gbodo segeti women go no ya lawa security yan do embarrass you so you no need to aware oze do team oze do what do team ni man do embarrass me so or see any man at anybody because anybody no river no na wetin ya go ya lawa won wetin ya we mi no keke. You understand? So you know now on a different life on stage in the car. No allow concerning the ticket matter. Mave wave in the boss. Okay, 10 euro. Okay, 30 euro. Okay, table for 4 euro, table for 6 euro, table for 8 euro, table for 10 euro, table for depend on the one way you want. You understand? So now the master what you know said you are table every table now we have a okay, for example, like 4 wa mo table with 200 euro. You don't win anything buy your table. Any go Kevin any go. I can't have them see we stop. Any go na ya do. Not have them see the club. We go na ya do. So I just do this show we say Paris here we do. Now we Paris man we gusu. You understand? Is a whole ni come because they call you and receive. Ma oro no wadore we there na do apin pegbe or even so do re yan we agagiro or we phone or say na ya mu e ho no kwa. When my work when you gonna take as yo no okay ya my phone there yan we yan phone. You understand? So who do we only ho pa you gonna you is a only ho pa na is more than let me just say 4,100 euro just only the whole only oil look 4,100 euro. The reason why I'm saying all those things everyone is where those are the bigger everyone go receive a car those are the way 400 euro those are the way not those are the way not in can you tell the conditions your one you need ata one you need ado because agreement you know. You understand? So, aussi, why we not believe those the normal way, normal bad. Why give one opportunity na ya need ya mawa. You understand? So, it supports the need. At least this one from the beginning for me now. If I see the response, the way people take come out that day, you know, he also the name with Timaya de Paris, where also the invited Timaya or Two Face or influencer cover. The rest people will see they need to come. So now encouragement I go because we don't do being musician or being do artists, we don't do lack for many things. We don't do lack for many things. At least the exposure on the day. You know, people now don't do international passport. People now want to get visa because go reach the list of Yoruba or Igbo musician. No one wait. If you see their passport alone, now visa na info. So what do we do? They do. You know, that side they so much they respect people like JJ Ambassador, JJ Barry, 24 Beat. You know, the waiting and start so you want to take her to the next level. And I need to start from Paris. You understand? I believe after this Esther show, there's going to be a lot of artists because I get everything to take invite any artist come from Nigeria. This will not be posted. You understand? I can take any artist from Nigeria to Paris. You know, everything where they need, I get everything. So we just want to start with this one first, and I believe the next one is going to be big. You understand? So allow Paris more come out for this show. More carry this award. I believe that this is the first time for Esther to take entire Europe now, and it started from Paris this Saturday. The first show for Europe now this Saturday, which is Paris. You understand? So I beg, more come out, more come celebrate, more come enjoy ourselves. So we change all. Our new owner is Saint-Denis, back of Saint-Denis Gare. Back of Saint-Denis, but good location. Now this one even near part the whole we carry before. This one are just good location. Back of Saint-Denis. Anywhere we there, nobody will not know Saint-Denis for France or for Paris. You understand? So we already change all. People will already buy the ticket before we say we put the former hall address. Please, we will not go that address again. This one are Saint-Denis. Yeah, no one can't go that address. I can't read them. I don't see anybody. Can't carry it as you come back again. Can't send me. Please, we don't already change up. Please, no one can support us. My Paris, I don't say we know the carry last. So now we see they call me. We never get time. Can't reserve your table or can't pay for your table or can't buy your ticket. There's enough ticket. There's enough ticket at the gate. If you cannot buy your table now, if you cannot buy a ticket now, on that day you go see tickets, you go see table because I go for a bigger hall. This honor will contain everybody. It will contain everybody. Now they fear before say, you honor, Mashon or see, you not take that risk. You might really carry your turn you know I'm way to make sure I not disappoint. Fuck up, not come from my side. So me don't already do my own. Now, remember, we can support me. I beg. Now see what this is a cost for normal regular ticket. Regular ticket, no say 10 euro. You mean 10 euro. You know when we rush here, you already 10 euro. No euro now is 30 euro, which is VIP. You 10 euro ni guarantee all day when you want to have it. But not the VIP 30 euro. You sit down. You know, like when you have aware, you have you to share with people. You know, somebody or of them is when you book for your table. You know, all your friends say, no, God, just why for one got to 50 euro. You just sit down well, your table, big table go there front, you dey front VIP, you feed the show well, you know. So voila, we will support Esther, we will support me because this is my first time of doing this thing and waiting the way Nathan embraced me, now they encourage me to do more because this time around we don't even day back. We need to start something. So I really appreciate you guys, man. All the love, all the cost, people who don't book tables, people who don't buy tickets. They have to support a show now. Really need the support in life one. So about the provider one or the support one. We see Kakabo, no the ticket, one no maybe new boy you do there. So Salopano will bless you who have a new boy we are we are supporting. Why West will women, why West will best star, why West will big death in the background because very weird to Ekinimare like any Taisi if Upoka or Benye. I have all it takes to invite any artist from Nigeria to France. If I do it today, I don't believe any French embassy they have any reason to reject anybody which I give it invitation for. They no go to reject everybody. I have all the capacity to do it, and I'm going to start with this one. After this start, we are going for the bigger one. And this thing already starts because the love, I don't already see the love say, you do, you appreciate it, and always start because call the call and people who don't book table, people who don't ready buy tickets, they're too much, they're too many. So while no man be me boy there, enough ticket they will have me get together. Do a man have me boy you blocking, but there will have me ticket to get. While let's support our those musicians. We'll keep supporting them because we need to advance ourselves. And we pray right from time or do as soon as understand. I thank you all. It's in my or you say voila. Was this to support my Paris people allow who we marry for I call it that way even why support me right from time just that way you only do call anybody or do always do team and who's the one where you marry go kill our those the what do team no do embarrass me or see ni man see anybody happy to marry to where they don't enjoy it they don't support us so we put the ticket we could lawa why Sevanine and you know really want a me arriva a suya a goat meat to everything no I enjoy no I support that all of them they are valid. You understand? So Esther will be landing in Paris any moment from now. They expecting Sister Carol. In fact, from nothing tomorrow afternoon, now go see the atmosphere. Everywhere will change. Everywhere to change. You will never buy ticket. Please come buy a ticket. 30 euro. Come and enjoy it, boy. Come and flex yourself. Come and enjoy yourself. So Allah bless you here. Can worry do supporting me. See all the love now. See all the love. Imagine if I just look back, say 5 years, 10 years back, we were do have we had the ticket to take cargo here do. You know, here you where me you go extra, you go Et tout Yigo do ya rêve pas. Yigo do ya flex with boy. Yigo do ya music. That day not be only when you play. They see comment you see the DJ they we want to give us. We want us to celebrate ourselves because we know more. Oh, celebrate. So we want us to celebrate ourselves. We want us to enjoy ourselves. It's enough drink, you know. Any drink when you want, any brand when you want. All of them did that. All of them did that. So I beg, I'm gonna support us. I'm gonna support Lady of Song. I'm gonna support my own. I'm gonna support us. I'm gonna support us. Why give man go discourage you do agwe? He go do agwe. He go do agwe star. Star ne. I give man pas discourage you because any. I mean now name above. So two above anything. A debate two above. You go really support you give away. Also about you support. Voilà, 30 euros, or 10 euros, but on the phone, you are rushing phone, so only 30 euros. So we're not doing 30 euros, not doing 10 euros. So you are coming as a king. Come and flex yourself, man. Come and flex yourself, you know. Come and flex yourself because problem not the finish you. Come and flex yourself. Problem if you. It's in your we were so this is the money to come flex yourself. This is time to come flex yourself. So what do you why you Dora? So problem not the finish. Marine, please come and enjoy yourself. Come and support us. Come and support us on this show. Come and support us. And I believe in Paris, now you will meet this award. Na Paris, now you will meet. Those are the moment we will not make bad there. People with the dark source, when they go YouTube now, may go right first to Z launching in Paris. When they see now, you understand? So what's the man we not bad then I make me go for a bigger hall because we know afford Esther hand. Esther not first time was Esther coming to Paris. First time we did come, yeah, I'll count dollar. I don't feel $1 now. So now make me, I don't even care it takes. But so far, me communicate with the France where I believe say start get France of Paris. You know, guess what? You say Paris for France. France and say oh, start get France. You get do I will say we might take it. We do musician. How it do you go live? How it do I think that. So we are getting there now. We will be there. We will be there. Thank you. I will see with women. I will see with best star. I will see with big destiny bagwa. I will see. It's in Wamayu or Yisen. Any my ass one up. I will see Kakabo. I really appreciate you guys, man. All the love. The love is massive. The love is too much. So maybe I ask one. We Paris, we France, we we're not the ticket in we're not married there to Saloba or Sanwasi. There why you meet ticket the man I'm boy are blocking me, man I'm boy because many people win. So what about to make a reservation can add money when you talk. So the ticket you raw, table ticket why you raw or why you raw, normal ticket you raw. So I read there or I'm here. So Emi Awaro. A show me, anything you want, all of them day. So thank you guys, God bless you all. God bless you all. I really appreciate all the love. God bless you. I need to go. Sister Carol will be live in Paris this Saturday. So if you're not there that day, where you go there? You're not there. It's Taidopa show this Saturday for Paris. Where you want there? Come enjoy yourself. Don't let loneliness go do another thing. Don't want you enjoy it. So I love you all. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye bye.